welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Delightfully Southern. My name is Donna and thank you so much for joining me today. So today is all about my fall home tour. I hope that you will enjoy this video and it will give you some inspiration and some ideas to do some fall decorating in your home. But today's video is very special to me because it is a collaboration video. I have joined up with Sheila from At Home with Sheila to share our fall home tours. She is simply amazing, y'all. You are gonna love her. I found her last year around fall. She was doing her fall tree and clicked on the video and instantly fell in love with her. I just love her. She is amazing with decor. She can put things together that I'm like, huh? I would have never thought of that, but she makes it work and she's so inspiring. I just love her so much. And it's a bonus, she's another Southern girl. So when you get through watching my video, click over and watch her video of her fall home tour. The information will be linked in the description box below. Tell her I sent you and I hope you enjoy. I know you're gonna love her. Now, on with the tour. Welcome to my home. As you enter, we will start at the left. I have my two bookshelves on either side of my fireplace. So on this shelf, I have this beautiful lantern that was sent to me by a subscriber who has now become a very good friend of mine. Her name is Jill. Thank you, Jill. I just absolutely love it. I just put some fall foliage around it and I think it just looks beautiful perched up there. And every time I look at it, I think of Jill and it just makes my heart happy. On the other side, I just have some candlesticks with some of those cute little berries from the Dollar Tree. On this shelf, I just have a cute little pumpkin. I stuck some mums in the greenery. That little pumpkin I actually painted. It was from the Dollar Tree. On down, I stuck some more mums in the greenery. And that is a little pumpkin that was actually on a pick. And I just took it off the pick and I got that from Michael's. On this shelf, I have this cute little bird cage that I got from Michael's. I had some greenery in it, so I just put some mums in it. This cute little home picture was sent to me by a subscriber who is very sweet. Her name is Tina. Thank you, Tina. I think it's perfect. And my cute little pumpkins, my grandbabies. And on down, I have this cute little truck that I got from the Dollar General last year. And a pick from Michael's. That painting is actually from my mother. And down here, I just have this little bit of foliage, and that's actually a napkin ring, and I just put it here. And that's this bookcase. Now my mantle, I actually did a video on how I decorate my mantle. I will link it in the description section. That little lantern, I get a lot of questions about it. It's actually a scent warmer from Walmart. I don't use it like that, I just use it as a lantern. Up here on this bookcase, this is my pumpkin that had been in my attic for so long. I decided to pull it out and do an arrangement on it. And I also have a video on that. I will link in the description box. Now this is a little bit of everything. Some greenery. I just stuck some Dollar Tree picks in it, little Dollar Tree pumpkins. And this was a little DIY that I did. I don't think I made a video on it. And I just have, this is a J I usually keep up here, right there. And I just put it in front of it because I actually like the way the black looked around it. Try to center it up. And that's that shelf. Down here, more picks, pumpkin, some greenery. That is actually a little picture that I painted. On this shelf, this is my chicken I got from Hobby Lobby. I'll put some greenery around it. This pumpkin I'm very proud of. It is actually an old jack-o'-lantern pumpkin that I turned it around. I just touched it up with some paint and I love it. On down to this shelf, this is another little chicken from Hobby Lobby. Just put some foliage around it to make it look like fall. And down here, just some more fall foliage. Now, on the opposite side of my door, I have this cute little table. This is just a pick from Michael's, and I put some mums in the green room. Now across the living room is my couch, And it wouldn't be fall without a Bath and Body Works candle. Absolutely love it. This is a little DIY that I made using plungers. I also have a video on that. I'll link in the description box if you're curious about that. Little pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. My fall pillow covers come from Amazon. I just love them. I think it's enough on the couch, and I just absolutely love it. And above my couch, I have a little bit of everything. I have the greenery. I just stuck some mums in on either side. On this was actually a chicken that I broke, and I stuck it in that little basket because I really love it, and now I'm able to decorate for the seasons. I just have some fall foliage up here, little pumpkins, and I just think it's so cute. Now onto my kitchen. So as you turn, this is the kitchen. Now on my bar, I have this tray that I bought from Kirkland's last year, and I love this tray because I'm able to decorate it for the seasons. I actually just put a wreath around on it and put my chicken inside it, and I just absolutely love the way it looks. That just screams fall to me. It's my absolute favorite thing to decorate, believe it or not. Now, on my table, this is a tray that I made. I have a video on that. I will link it in the description box. And I just have this little platter that I got from Ross last year, some picks, my little birds, some foliage. And on the opposite side, I did decorate the back just so it wouldn't be plain, and that's a Dollar Tree pumpkin. Now on my wall, that Gather sign is another one sent to me from Tina. She sent me Gather and Home, and I just love it. Just stuck some cotton in the wreath, that little fall sign I think I got from the Target dollar spot last year. And over here on the shelf that James made me, I just stuck some sunflowers in this greenery pot, have some mums, and these little pumpkins on this shelf actually come from Michael's last year on clearance. And I just thought they were so cute, and I just stuck some cotton just to kind of add to it. And below it, I have this, and this is just like put together really quickly. That front is actually, let me get a little closer for y'all. The front of this right here is actually a placemat. I just kind of stuck in the front of that basket. I put a planter in there with some Dollar Tree florals, set this little guy up there, and I just thought it was so cute sitting beside my chair. This is Home Sweet Home. Now beside my back door, this is a cute little topiary that I just put some Dollar General garland around. I'm actually gonna put some filler in the box there. I just haven't got that far yet. And that little wagon is actually gonna go on my front porch when I do my porch decor. James made me that little cover to go over my little red wagon. And the fall sign actually come from the Dollar General last year. And that's how that looks. Now above my cabinets, I actually decorated them for fall this year. I don't normally do this, but this year I did. Now up here by Mr. Rooster, who's standing tall and proud, that foliage, well the pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby. There's some florals in there from Hobby Lobby, and the rest would be from Dollar Tree. And I just think it is so beautiful. Now this is something that my daughter-in-law gave me for Christmas. And I just got the little scarecrows from the Dollar Tree, put them in the little pots, and I just think they're so cute. Now on around, I have some more. The foliage is actually from the Dollar Tree, and the pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby. Again, some fall foliage from the Dollar Tree, pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby, and the same here as well, Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. Now for my countertops, below this, I just have some picks from Michael's, a pumpkin from Hobby Lobby, and these cute little guys peeking out, they were from the Dollar Tree. This Jesus Christ and pumpkin spice sign I actually made. It was a Dollar Tree frame, bought just as it is. I just painted the center white and then printed out the letters from my from my Silhouette cameo. Now on my stove, I have, of course, another Bath and Body Works candle. I just put some little sunflowers. I don't do a whole lot because, you know, it does get in the way of cooking. And on this side, this is just some beautiful foliage I've had for years. I don't even know where it come from. I just stick it in this pot with some greenery and love the way it looks. And you gotta have your fall mug. Now beside my sink, let me show you. So beside my sink, this is a tray. I'm not even sure where I got this wooden tray from, but this I got from Michael's last year on clearance, and I just put it on top of it. This pig is from Michael's. That little pumpkin's a Dollar Tree pumpkin. The Mr. Pig come from Dollar General. Some sunflowers, Mr. Scarecrow. This is actually a DIY. I don't have a video on it, I'm sorry. It's just a little frame from the Dollar Tree. Put some scrapbook paper in it, just glued a pine cone. Just kind of sit there, and then just some more Dollar Tree items. And I just think it's really cute just sitting here. I just really like it. Now moving on into my bedroom, I don't really do a lot of decorating in here for fall because my bedroom is already like somewhat fall colors. I did set this little pumpkin on the nightstand. I have this blessed pillow, but I think I'm actually gonna leave the blessed pillow out all year. Up here on this shelf, I just put a cute little pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. This is some of that pipberry garland I just kind of wrapped around that little garden ball, just kind of give it a little bit of color. And that's really all I did in my bedroom. Now on into the bathroom. I leave this up all year because I really like it and it goes with my bathroom. That's just some of those bittersweets from Dollar Tree. I just stuck it in there with that old tin bucket with some fern, and I love it. Now this I did decorate this year. I don't normally, but I did this year. Let me get a light on. So this is some Dollar Tree foliage, a cute little pumpkin that I painted to kind of go with it. It's a Dollar Tree pumpkin. And up here is just some more Dollar Tree foliage. Y'all, they have really stepped up their game with their foliage this year. It is just amazing, and I just absolutely love the way that looks. And that's pretty much all I do in my master bath. I did put this little pumpkin here. It's a Dollar Tree pumpkin. I did put that on our armoire. That is literally all I do in my master bedroom. Now on to the hallway. Now in my hallway, I have a couple little things going on. First of all, I just put a little bit of foliage there, and that is a Dollar Tree pumpkin in my first attempt at painting a Mackenzie Child inspired technique. So that's on this wall, and I think the black and white really goes well with this chicken. I think it's cute. Now opposite of that, I have my cute little chicken lamp with my fall foliage, another pick from Michael's. And this is a cute little pumpkin that I had had for years. I actually broke it, and so I decided to paint it. Added some moss, put the leaf back on it, and was able to salvage it and turn it into a beautiful piece. And on my old mirror, this is a picture that I have, and I think it just screams fall with the colors. So I just, instead of putting a wreath on this mirror, I just put this a wreath on this window. I just put this picture up here, and I really like the way that it turned out. I really like the way that it looks. I think it just kind of all goes together. Now at the end of my haul, I have this cute little fall, sweet fall. Got that from Michael's last year on clearance, and another pick from Michael's. And this is a Dollar Tree pumpkin, and how perfect does that go? It just needed something there, and I put that pumpkin there, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's exactly what it needed. I love it. I don't really do anything in my guest room, and then that's the man cave / craft room. Don't go in there. It's a disaster area. Up here I have these cute little sunflowers I just stuck in this little thing I got from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. And in this curio I have some berries from Michael's and another one of those little napkin rings that I don't really use for a napkin ring. And that's all I did in there. Now into my guest bath. So moving into my guest bath, first of all, you'll notice this window. Notice I didn't say mirror. Anyway, this window is from my grandmother's birthplace. It's over 100 years old and I absolutely love it. I'm just a sentimental softie, y'all. And hanging on it, I got this from Marshall's a few years ago. And I keep the greenery in it all year, but for the fall, I just stuck some fall foliage in it and I just absolutely love the way it looks. Now, opposite of that, I have this beautiful shelf that James made me. The top of it, I just stuck some of those Dollar Tree foliage in up there. And then I have my little pumpkin sitting on a pedestal I got from Kirkland's. And that's all I really have on this shelf. I mean, I guess you could say these beads could be fall, but I leave them up all year. Oh, there we go. On top of the toilet, I have these cute little flowers. So on top of my vanity, I have another one of those little holders I made using the plungers. Just stuck a Dollar Tree pumpkin in there, some greenery that I had. Have this cute little grateful pumpkin that I got from Dollar General last year. Another Bath and Body Works candle. And on this wall, I have a couple of shelves, and I have this cute little wreath that I keep up there all year, but I just wrap some of those pitberry garlands around it to kind of give it a little bit of fall color. And then this cute little bird I actually got from the at-home store. It was on clearance for like $1, I think. And I just stuck it in this little metal bucket, put some cotton around it, and I thought it was cute. A little something to fall it up, you know? And that's how my guest bathroom looks. Well, there you have it, my fall home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to check out Sheila's fall home tour. The information will be linked in the description box below. Tell her I sent you, and don't forget to hit that little red subscribe button for her and for me. And give us a big thumbs up. It really helps out our channels. So until next time, bye y'all.